Hello and welcome to your mom's favorite channel. Today we'll be making something super special. We'll be making chocolate mousse, but we'll be using something different. Avocados. You might be thinking, look at this fucking circus clown. He's avo control. I can't juggle, so I don't think I really belong there. Let's go. This is a very simple recipe. You only need a handful of ingredients and a blender or a food processor.
But dude, avos aren't for sweet things, bruh.
Well, let's see. You can soften your avos by needlessly throwing them around like this or juggling them. I wouldn't recommend it, but it helped my pip fall out. All we're doing now is just cutting the avos in half, depipping them, and putting it into the blender. Avocados are quite interesting. Did you know that avos are technically berries? They have more potassium than bananas. They're loaded with fiber, they have good fatty acids, they can help lower your cholesterol. They also help your body absorb more nutrients from plant foods. So rock out with your guac out. Next, cocoa powder for that chocolate flavor. I eyeballed this, so I only added 2 heaped tablespoons for now. And then for sweetener I used caster sugar, but feel free to use any sweetener that you want. You can use regular sugar, xylitol, syrups. If you want to keep the calories a bit lower, go for the xylitol or the agaves. It's up to you. And then you want to add a pinch of salt to make it nice and decadent. Just a pinch, but a little more. And then I added some vanilla essence. I'm sure vanilla pods or vanilla paste would be better, but this is all I had on hand. I added 2 caps and then just put the lid on that bitch and get it spinning. You will find that the blender might have a little bit of a hard time at first, but that's okay. Everyone needs a little bit of encouragement.
Better get your shit together. I'll get a Vitamix, you son of a bitch.
Or just add a little bit of plant-based milk because blenders don't understand people. And that was just awkward. Some coconut cream might be better than just a regular plant-based milk though. And remember to taste as you go. This wasn't quite sweet enough yet or chocolatey enough, so I added more sugar and a little more cocoa powder. And I think 1 heaped tablespoon of cocoa powder to 1 small avocado seems like it's going into the right direction for me. And just give the sides a bit of a scrape. Give it a one last blend. So this stuff isn't as light and fluffy as what actual mousse would be. We didn't beat any air into this, but damn. Holy shit, this stuff is f***ing amazing. You could blend some mint into this, but I don't want to. I like this stuff as it is. How the f*** is this avocado? I don't get it. It's so f***ing good. Sorry, I'm actually getting upset about how good this stuff is. This is all I've ever wanted in a dessert. I made a makeshift piping bag to see if I can pipe this. Short answer, yes. Long answer, will work much better if you have a proper piping bag. This stuff is phenomenal. It's creamy, it's rich, it's sweet, it's chocolatey. It doesn't taste like avocado. I'm sure if you gave this to anyone, they would say,
"Fuck, amazing. Oh my."
Yes, that's what I said. That's what she said. But she's not allowed to have some of this, because mom said,
Avocado chocolate mousse isn't good for cats, but she can have the rest of your milk.
sorry Nori, let's eat. This stuff will blow anyone's mind. Make sure the person's not allergic to avocado. Serve with fresh or frozen berries. I cut up some fruit rolls as a garnish. This took me less than 10 minutes to throw together. Whoever's gonna eat this will appreciate the shit out of you. So remember to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. So see you in a while, guacodile. Peace!